You hear people say money is the root of all evil. Money does not equal happiness.
If you don't think money can buy happiness, you don't know where to shop.
Worse is when this subconscious negative perception on money comes from your parents.
When your farmer told you rich people are bad and greedy, so you end up sabotaging yourself.
And don't ever forget the perpetual inflation.
What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean?
However, there is no limit to how much you can earn, which is nothing but a result of the value you bring to the world. Money is greed, money is evil, the filthy rich. These are subconscious programming baked into us adulting.
You come from a poor family and you could struggle your whole life and try to get rich, but you're not going to make it. And if you come from a rich family, you could be stupid your whole life and make it. Not because it was thinking, but it was unconscious behavior that was downloaded from rich families into kids, which is unconscious. So they're making the right moves unconsciously. If they engage their conscious mind, then they look stupid, but it's unconscious. And that's the same thing with poor people. Poor people have beliefs from the family. Oh, you can't make it, life's a struggle, things are hard, who do you think you are? And if that's the program you get, then 95% of the day you will sabotage yourself.
Look, this cannot be taught. Even teachers are unable to teach this to our kids, your kids. With all due respect to teachers, if even the very educated and experienced school teachers themselves are poor like this, how can we expect them to teach our kids about how to make money? Hiya! If you do not come from a rich family must come from you. And that begins with you rewiring your money mindset and rewrite the bad programming that has been programmed in since you were 7 years old. Imagine if growing up in a family, your parents always argue about money because there isn't enough to go around, or your parents divorced due to money issues, or because your dad spent all your college fund onto his sugar baby or even his gambling habit. It will affect your relationship with money subconsciously in ways you have never even realized before. This is the bottommost part of the ocean where all your inner demons reside, and when disturbed, it will all surface. But once you can overcome it, the transformation is rapid and massive. When the very core foundation of the ocean floor is shaken like an earthquake, what happens? My friend, a tsunami. Not just any tsunami, but a tsunami in the right direction for a truly positive change in how you perceive and manage your money. You do not need to choose between having money or happiness. You can have both. I explain more in this next video. Now, if you have not watched the previous episode, this is where it is.